This is my AN FGC-25 Teletype machine. It's a Kleinschmidt unit that I got back in the late 1970s, completely rebuilt it at that time. The last time I had it operating was in the early 1990s. Last summer I undertook to do a thorough lubrication and restoration, try to get this old set working again. According to one of my reference manuals, the earliest printing telegraph system was established in 1849 between Philadelphia and New York. The mechanically intensive technology of teletypewriter sets like this one is sometimes referred to as steampunk. So I worked on it off and on for the past several months, and now in late February 2015 I've got everything back together. The mechanisms work when I operate them manually by hand, and we'll see if the electrical parts of it are still working okay. Well, I just turned on the power and both motors are running, and now I'm going to test the mechanisms following the procedure in the book.